right, welcome to Forever 39. Tonight we're going to be talking about some of the things that we provide at our center. Okay, here are our menu of services, and I'll really touch on everything. First of all, the maintenance piece is the tri-level peel. I'm sure all of you have heard about medical facials. This is our medical facial. It is done every 6 to 8 weeks to prevent dead skin from building up, sun damage. It helps lighten, tighten, brighten. It is really what we do as our core procedure. As you see, Linda, my office manager, is very hard at work right now. During the tri-level peel, we go through dermaplaning, microdermabrasion, and a chemical peel. Sorry, I went too fast. Dermaplaning is done with a scalpel blade. It sounds very scary, but it's actually very, very comfortable. I take that blade and lightly just get all the dead skin cells and all that vellus hair off of your face. It is very smooth, very relaxing. It's my personally favorite part of that. Microdermabrasion is done with a diamond-tipped head, helps work on pigmentation, and also gets the rest of the dead skin off your face. And the chemical treatment used to be known as the chemical peel because the chemical actually used to peel, but now that we take all that dead skin off, you don't have to worry about peeling. So that chemical treatment now works on pigmentation, building collagen, tightening. Okay, the word chemical, sometimes I hear people say, oh, I'm afraid of the chemical. Well, chemicals are air, water, it's very natural, some of them. Trichloroacetic acid, which is TCA, is a tightening acid that is a chemical compound, helps prevent skin cancer, helps tighten your skin. All right. Lactic acid is made from sour milk. It is very exfoliating and very hydrating. Same thing with malic and tartaric. Malic being apples, tartaric being grapes. Both of those exfoliate and keep that skin looking bright. Mandelic acid works on pigment. That is made from almonds. So again, very natural, very good things for your skin. So those 3 procedures done together, you can leave, go back to work, nobody will even know, and I won't tell them, and you look great. Everyone asks me what kind of products I should use, and by the time they come to my office, they are super frustrated for spending a fortune over the counter or anywhere. You don't really have to spend a fortune. If you're doing really good skincare and you're using really good products, then you just need a little bit. Medical grade means higher level of ingredients. Some ingredients you can't even get. So use your estheticians and your nurse injectors to decide what the best form of vitamins are for your skin. The products that we use are tried and true. They are medical grade and they have high levels of vitamin C, which lightens, tightens, and brightens. Vitamin A, which is like retin A. Retin A can be very drying, so you have to be really careful about how much you use of that. Some skin types can take a lot, some skin types can't. So your professional can help you decide on that. And you're going to be hearing a lot about hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid has been around for a very long time. It's what's in your fillers. It's very natural to the body. It's very plumping and very hydrating. So hyaluronic acid is very great for that older, dry skin. And I'm sure a lot of you have heard a lot about microneedling. Automatic microneedling has really been amazing these last couple of years. It's probably my most performed procedure besides the tri-level. It makes tiny little holes in your skin. It sounds awful. It is so relaxing. And these little holes have to repair. So what it does, we put a nice numbing cream on, let you numb for about 20 minutes. It feels like a massage, people tell me. Actually, one of my estheticians did it to me 2 weeks ago, and I could have fallen asleep. It makes these tiny little holes, plumping in hyaluronic acid. Okay? Now, if you do the little holes, you're getting skin rejuvenation, collagen growth. It has to repair. If you picture your skin like the mesh of a pantyhose, you make all these little holes, it's going to tighten up in the next 24 hours. And over 3 months, you're going to build all that collagen, okay? Because your skin has to repair. Now, we use hyaluronic acid to boost that collagen production. It gives you 200% more collagen growth. And there's also a procedure called PRP. It's platelet-rich plasma. What we do is we have our amazing nurse injector draw your blood. Sounds a little creepy. I'm sure you've heard of the vampire facial. But we spin it in the centrifuge, we get the platelets out, and we needle that in. Instead of the hyaluronic acid, it's the exact same procedure, but we're needling in your own platelets, which builds about 100% more collagen. So the regular hyaluronic acid was 200%, this is 1,000%. We also provide permanent makeup at the office. This particular patient was thrilled, and I asked her permission, she couldn't wait to share. She really didn't have much of an eyebrow, and she also wanted a lift. So we gave her eyebrows. So you can see the first picture is kind of like pre, second is post. You do look a little dark, a little scabby for a couple days, and then after you're healed, it just looks like soft, natural browns. I actually have done myself, my staff members, a couple of you here, so it really does work nicely. We also do upper and lower eyeliner. A lot of people will ask me about lips. I really don't recommend them. They fade very quickly, so it's a lot of maintenance, and it is a little bit more uncomfortable. Being that we are a medical facility, we can get you very comfortable and very numb. And really, you're lying there, it just feels like a little vibration. That's all. We also are very blessed to provide laser hair removal. Our laser has 3 modalities, which I will be going over. It's the Nordelise. It's an amazing laser. It's a new technology. The old laser really hurt when they did hair removal. The new technology does not heat the blood or the water in the skin, so it's pretty painless, and it goes right towards that pigment. So an ideal candidate for hair removal is someone with very light skin and very dark hair. All right, blonde hair, unfortunately, or gray, really doesn't work well. They haven't invented a laser that has to be attracted to pigment. We also do redness and rosacea. Diffused redness, a lot of people get flushed in their cheek area or has telangiectasias or capillaries, those little squiggly lines. We can treat those. Usually it takes about 2 to 3 visits for redness. If you've heard of the photofacial, this is kind of like the newer photofacial. We work on browns and reds with the photofacial. So browns being your pigmentation, your sun damage, reds being your broken capillaries. And this is the brown laser. And that is probably not an exaggeration. I will tell you after 3 or 4 visits that a lot of that can go away. And you do have to be super cautious in the sun because sun damage is so resilient it can come back. I have a lot of people ask me what the best anti-aging tips. Honestly, hydration is one of the best ways of staying youthful looking. Using your sun protection, not being out in the sun, really making sure you're protecting your face. And also don't over-exfoliate. A lot of my clients want to use these machines or gritty exfoliators. You're really tearing your collagen. The more you treat your skin like silk, which I know some of you are so sick of me saying, the more it's going to look like silk. But it's true. If you really are gentle with your face and use good quality products and get these procedures, and even if you don't want to do the procedures and you just want to do products, that's fine. Just treat your skin gently. And nutrition is huge. Sugar is the enemy. I'm never going to tell you not to drink your wine ever. But definitely, sugar is something that ages you. I also take these amazing nutritional bars, and if any of you want to talk about that further, please see me. I love them. It's a quick snack. I don't want to grab something with sugar and garbage in it. I want to grab something with really great fruits, vegetables, that type of thing. Really, if you're eating good quality food and not having sugar, it's the best way to stay youthful looking. Your skin is a true reflection of your health. And the mineral makeup is a wonderful thing in our office, and we have several estheticians that are amazing makeup artists, and they can help you with really showing you how to put your makeup on, enhancing it. Really, really nice. And here are the faces at our office that you'll see. Now, there is one person missing, and her name is Alicia, and you'll meet her tonight. But she had a really good excuse. She was on her honeymoon. So I will let her slide tonight. Okay? But Heather is our esthetician. Linda's our office manager. I know most of you know Linda and always wonder, where's Linda? When Kim is working. So Kim works with Linda as well, and she works at the front desk. And we're really happy to have her. Thank you all so much. I've been very blessed to work with the most amazing women over the last year and a half.